Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hello guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings from Palindrome spaces located in Thane. So they are hiring for architect or interior designer positions, like they are hiring for both interns and fresher candidates. So let us see what are the skills you should have to apply for these positions. So the candidates should have good presentation skills and basic knowledge of materials, basic knowledge of Microsoft Office, AutoCAD, SketchUp, and essential functions would be producing presentation and drawings or presentation, involvement in design process. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for these positions, I mean architect or interior designer positions, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID, that is palindromespaces@gmail.com. That's it in this video guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.